Hello, my name is Deng Aguto, and I attend Middle Tennessee State University. The purpose of my project was to gain insight on COVID-19 vaccine hesitancy. My target demographics were African American aged 18 and older who attend Middle Tennessee State University or live in Murfreesboro area. The reason I chose this demographic is because African Americans are shown to be infected by COVID-19 at least 3 times the rate of other demographic. And this age group is more socially active and more aware of health disparities within African American community. This project was conducted in 2020 before the release of COVID-19 vaccine. Flyers were posted on social media and around campus to gather the participants. Once they were gathered, they were asked several questions via Zoom. A total of 30 participants were gathered, and a total of 2 listening sessions were conducted on Zoom. Some of the questions included, participants were asked how many of them know somebody who's been infected by COVID-19, and 75% of them say they know somebody. Another question was, how many of the participants will receive COVID-19 vaccines once it is released to public? And 80% of them say they will not receive COVID-19 vaccines once it is released. Another follow-up question was, how many of the participants received the flu vaccines in the past? And only 40% of them say they have, but only when it was required for school or work. To conclude, recent research showed that African Americans are being vaccinated at the lowest rate. Black and brown people do not trust COVID-19 vaccine, and this is due to health disparities as well as misinformation found on social media. Thank you to HBCU Wellness for their generous help throughout this whole project, and thank you to Xavier University and XULA Conference for allowing me to attend.